Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we are making a creamy vegan seafood sauce. This is a perfect addition to salad, as a dip, or to use on any other dish. The ingredients this week are sweet basil, this is optional but adds a nice amount of colour, chilies, coriander, pistachio, these add to the creaminess of the dish, and there's no need to pre-soak these. We have vegan fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, vegan mayo, sugar, and palm sugar. So everything's going to go in the blender. That's all you need to do is just blend all these ingredients together. We're going to start with the pistachios as they are the hardest. No need to pre-soak, like I said before, they can just go straight in the blender. So once your blender's ready, we're going to add the pistachios first. Pop on the lid and then give them a blitz for a few seconds. Then add your chilies. Feel free to use less chilies if you don't like it quite so spicy. Add your garlic, your optional sweet basil, coriander, sugar, white or brown, vegan fish sauce, lime juice, and finally your palm sugar. Then just pop the lid on the blender and blitz again for another minute. This is what it looks like at this stage. Then we just need to add the vegan mayo. We're just using a store-bought today, but we do have a recipe for how to make a vegan mayo. We'll leave that link in the description below if you'd like to make your own. Then once the mayo's in, all you need to do again is just blend this until it's really smooth. And this is the result. A tangy, creamy, vegan seafood dip. Perfect for salads, perfect as a dip. Super simple to make in just a couple of minutes. Thank you very much for watching again, and we'll see you next week on Love Vegan.